Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain scanBean packages. This is the attribute in at Spring Boot application annotation. This annotation by defaultly annotated at Spring Boot starter class, right? So in that in this annotation at Spring Boot application annotation, we will need base packages attribute. So I will tell this need. Post I will tell without this what will happen. So without this I will show one error. By using this I will show how to resolve that error. Right? So let's get started. So suppose assume this package com.in.configuration. Base package is com.in. After this is sub package, right? Base package com.in, sub package com.in.configuration. This I am renaming. Refactor rename. Suppose com.im dot some com like this. Now this is not a belong to base package com.in. This class configuration class not there in same package and sub package. This is the different package. What will happen now? Let's run as Spring Boot application. See, it is failing. Application failed to start. Suppose not only this. Suppose I need to so I need to maintain configuration for the two databases. So I want two different packages. Suppose instead of this, I am again renaming, refactor rename. Suppose this is the Oracle configurations. I want one package. For MySQL, I want another package. So now this time also it will fail because base package is not matching. Base package com.in, but this is not under sub package of base package, and it is not this configuration not belongs to same package. So auto resolve. To resolve this, we need to add at starter class. We need to add one attribute. So scan. These are their exclusions. If you want to exclude some class, we can exclude it. After that, name generator, proxy bin, scan base packages. So it is a class type. This is the string. So let's take string array. So I'm mentioning one, right? Com.oracle. So I want to scan this com.oracle.configuration. If multiple packages are there under this, you can use star, but I'm not using. I'm entering full name configuration. So maybe it look like a predefined package name as well. Let's see if any errors are coming. Let's add one kind of in package name. Spring Boot app. See, this time we are not getting any error. It is started as producer app application, right? So in this video, we are successfully understand when to use, when to use, without using what is the issue, how to use base package, scan base package attribute in, how to use scan base packages attribute in at Spring Boot application annotation. This annotation available at starter class in Spring Boot. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.